Simulation 003. Removing star system, Sol. At 12 p.m., the sun vanishes. But on Earth, nobody knows. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel to Earth. We have 8 minutes of ignorance left. 12:08 p.m. The sky doesn't fade to black. It snaps off. Instantly, it is nighttime. Forever. We look for the moon, but it's gone. The moon shines with reflected sunlight. Without the sun, it is a dead rock. Within 24 hours, the temperature drops to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Within a week, it is minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Photosynthesis stops immediately. 99% of all plant life dies within days. The food chain collapses from the bottom up. The oceans act as a battery, holding heat. But the surface freezes over, creating a global ice sheet miles thick. 1 month in, the atmosphere begins to condense. It starts raining liquid oxygen. The only survivors are deep underground, huddled around geothermal vents, scavenging for canned food. But in the dark, other things begin to wake up. Things that don't need light. Simulation result. Extinction event. Earth is now a rogue planet. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be afraid of what's in it.